Hello, welcome to the Premier League. Go on, Leeds, we've done it, haven't we? Only thing is, not going to be negative about it, our team's crap for the Premier League. Crap. But let's all live a high life till next August and then start moaning about it. I don't think Farke's suited for it either. I think he's a bit of a tin hag. Anyway, whatever. So it is now 1:30. Hence why I didn't say good morning. Been at chiropractor. Tom and Taylor are finishing off the other job. Tom and Taylor's finishing off the other job. And I've just been doing a bit of running around this morning. Next customer's putting pressure on us. They're getting, I think it's her 40th. I'm sure she wouldn't say me as me at school. So they're having a big garden party and stuff like that. And their job needs to be finished by mid-May. We're just starting a new job now. It's quite a big one. So I need to work. I'm now starting 1:30. I'm not going to leave here while 5. It's all digger work to start with anyway, so it's not too bad. But yeah, new build up on the Red Row estate in Leeds. It's I did a massive porcelain job. Started year, took about 5 weeks or something like that, 5-6 weeks. But yeah, we're just around the corner from there. He's recommended us to absolutely everybody, so we're not taking over at this state because there's some people who are getting it done by another guy who I know, old boy Fran. So, but yeah, we're back on here, and that means there's a sarnie shop down the road that is so nice. So nice. So a sarnie shop is a sandwich shop to everybody abroad, just in case you don't know. Do you know my videos now? 60% of people are England, UK, 11% Ireland, 11% Canada, 8% America or something, and then it goes down to ones and stuff like that. But yeah, Canada, we're like, if you're hiring, I'll go work in Canada. In summer anyway, it's a bit cold in winter. But yeah, see you in back garden. So as you've seen, been stripping grass. Where it is now, that's patio. Patio's coming along here. Over to this side, just 1.8 off. The rest of it's turf. So it's a big L-shaped patio. Only thing we don't know is from where I'm stood now, the back doors, if it's going to step onto the grass and over here on to this patio. So, I mean, absolutely smashing it down now. I might not work much longer, but yeah, shape it up with digger, find out his levels. I reckon step down. Otherwise, we're coming up like 250mm down bottom corner. This rain wasn't even forecast. Sunny as out today. So last one making a big fuss about putting out washing on. I'm going to put washing on, I'm going to put washing out, I'm going to do this and being it down. Only reason why I'm not working in rain is I'm in car, aren't I? So obviously I don't want to get it mucky inside. But now my bum's going to get wet. So these guys are from South Africa. Can't tell if it's South African or New Zealand, so I just thought I'd ask her. South Africa. And a family have been watching me for a month or so, just to see. Just got my white camera. Just to see what I'm like and if I'm good at my job, I suppose. So, hello from South Africa. Or hello from the UK to the South Africa. It's quite good, isn't it? People over there. Again. Anybody's recruiting in South Africa? I'd work there. If you're in your garden doing, I'll drive down in the van. I won't bring digger with me though, just a spade. So yeah, so I'm just messing about today really, with levels, getting sod off. Tomorrow, tidying levels up, getting rid of sod. Yeah, see you soon. That were a nice afternoon. On my own, on digger. Tom and Tyler come over, dropped some hardcore off, dropped some timber off, did what they had to do. And then they went off back to Yeadon just to put some soil in planter. Sorry, my back's killing. Just to put some soil in planter. So yeah, we're just on my own, just having a couple of brews and just shaping up really. So from the bifolds or the patio doors, they're going to step out and then step onto the lawn and then onto the other patio, either side of it. I was giving it a push and a pull then. But tomorrow, grab wagon is coming, and then bringing 10 ton of hardcore as well. So we're gonna get the shape tomorrow. As we're taking the sod out, then I'll be shaping up as well, as you know, just to get us hikes. You don't know where you're at, and we don't use lasers, we use it by the eye, you know what I mean? So it might end up with a 4-inch step down, it might end up with a 6-inch. Obviously maximum we do is 180 200 mil without another step going in, you know what I mean? So yeah, but they've got no kids, they haven't got dogs, so it's just it's going to be a nice garden, to be fair. Won't have pea stains all over it, or it won't be just run riot by kids' footballs and whatnot, you know what I mean? So it will be a nice garden, that, when it's done. But yeah, once again, it is raining, so I was going to go for a walk on canal and go for a couple of pints down at pub, but nah. Right, so tomorrow I'll see you 8 o'clock sharp.